Hi, I'm Tripp, owner and operator of Bimmer Motor Specialists. I just want to take a moment to thank all of our customers, family, and friends for supporting us during these challenging times. A special thank you goes out to our first responders, our doctors, nurses, fire and police, restaurant, and grocery workers as well. We feel it's important as an essential business to stay open for our first responders and for you as well. So if there's anything that you need, please don't hesitate to call to make an appointment. While staying open here for you, we are taking all the necessary precautions, sanitizing each and every vehicle before we give it back to you, so that everyone can stay safe and help to flatten the curve. Over the next few weeks, I'll be posting some videos about some tips and tricks on your BMW, things you may or may not know to help you get to know your vehicle a little bit better. I've listed the link below. Check us out and keep watch. Stay safe and healthy, and we look forward to seeing you soon.